Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my new AXMINSTER Woodturning Lathe. Is it an AC355WL model? And I literally just unboxed it, assembled it with the stand. I haven't even looked at it. So let's see what's going on with this lathe. So let's remove the plastic cover and just take a look. So before I show you the lathe, let's talk about who I am, just for clarity. So I am not a professional woodworker, I am not a wood turner, I'm literally just a hobbyist. I have just purchased this lathe and I would like to get into wood turning and wood art in general. So I would like to show people and maybe even inspire others that anyone can do beautiful things in their own hands. And that's what I like to do, that's what I try to do. I would like to train myself to be a woodworking artist. I have a normal job. As a matter of fact, I'm a scientist. I have no experience in any type of woodworking, but I am determined. I am going to learn this, and in the next couple of videos probably you will see what I am capable of doing. So I would like to invite all of you to come along on this journey with me and see my struggles and my successes, and I hopefully will be able to do something beautiful with my hands. So let's get back to the lathe. So let's take a closer look and see the build quality. So this lathe is about 58 kg. I also bought separately a stand for it. The stand itself is about 15 kg, so it is pretty solid. However, if you put something heavy on it, it starts wobble a little bit, not too bad. I don't have much experience with any wood turning lathe. This is literally the first lathe I have bought, so I can't tell you how good these are, but I can still give you my first impression. So obviously you can lock the tailstock, and it seems like all the handles are metal on it. So there is no one single plastic bit apart from the switch controls. So everything is either steel or cast iron. So if the tailstock is locked, it is solid, there is no movement, and you can lock the tailstock on both sides. So let's move to the tool rest. Tool rest, also steel handles. You can displace the handle and place it back to another location if it's in the way. It's a very useful thing to have, like this. And you can also lock these on both sides. So if it's in the way, you can lock it on the other side, whatever you prefer, whatever it helps you to turn. So it comes out quite far. Even if it's that far, still no movement, it is solid. And it goes in again quite far, and you can lock it here. So let's take out the tool rest. That's how the tool rest look like, freshly lubricated with oil. Looks solid. I don't think this will ever break. It comes out quite high, but obviously you don't need to go that high. Let's move it back a little bit, lock it in place. Let's take out these plastic covers. So it moves freely, quite easily. Let me try the tailstock. Moves nicely. It's smooth. Let me see if I lock it in place. It's solid. No movement. It looks nice. That's how you do extend the barrel. Let's lock it in. So if I lock it in, this one is solid again. Doesn't move. The stand itself wobbles a little bit, but it's acceptable, I guess. So far it looks very good quality. The only thing it wobbles a little bit is this bit, the actual handle itself, but I don't think that will make any difference in the turn quality. Pull it back, lock it in place. If you don't like the position, you just move it out of the way. So this is good. Happy with it. Let's move it out of the way. So let's take a closer look at the headstock. So here is the axle, and I'm pretty sure there is a bearing inside. So this is the pulley access door, and there will be inside the drive belt, and I think this is a 24 stop index hole system. So the pulley system has 3 separate locations for the drive, so 3 speed, and there is a lever here with a lock. That's how you change the position of the drive belt. So let me see how easy it is to change the drive belt into a different position. So here is the lever and here is the lock. So if I pull this lever up, it will put less tension on the drive belt, and I can put it into a different position easily. So you also have to change the position of the belt at the bottom. You pull this door up, and there is a hole, and that's where you can reach the bottom part of the pulley. There is one more thing I like to try before I switch on the lathe. So basically I want to see how accurately centered the lathe is. So here is what I am going to do. I am going to put the center into the tailstock, and I am going to put the center into the headstock and push the two together and see how accurately they line up with each other. The lathe comes with a 4-prong drive center. So let's put it in. So the lathe also comes with a 60-degree live center. This one also looks very good quality. There is a bearing inside, no movement. This is really sharp. This is very sharp. I haven't checked this either, so finger crossed this is accurate. Let's move this one close and lock it. So let's see how it looks like. What do you think? This is pretty accurate. I am very happy with this. So let's turn it on for the first time. I'm just messing with you. It's actually very quiet. So let me just measure what is the turning capacity of this lathe. So it is around 18 centimeters. So I think it is a 35 safe turning. So let me also measure the length. So the length would be around 46 centimeters long. But obviously the axle is hollow. So there is one more thing I will do before I finish this video. I would just turn a piece of wood just to see how the lathe behaves. Nothing fancy, it literally will be just a piece of wood. I don't even have the ability to make anything fancy yet, but before I do that, I know I haven't covered everything in this video, so if you have any question, just make sure you put it down into the comment section below, and just make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. So these are actually fresh tools, I have never used these before, brand new out of the box. I only